Hey y'all, this is Lanaki. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick video with you about preloaded turn meter and utilizing airplane mode. It's fairly simple. I'm going to use a squad arena as the tool. So I'm going to just go ahead and select my battle. Now, once I get ready to go into battle, it's real simple. Once it starts, some people even do it while this little blue thing's dialing up. Swipe down on your device, hit the airplane. That throws it into airplane mode. Okay. Hopefully at least, just so I can utilize it to show you how I would switch it. Switch it out of airplane if I did lose, but what is this, the battle of the oh damn. I really didn't want to lose it. Maybe. Okay. Now, since I won, I'm going to swipe down, take it off airplane mode, and continue in the game. Continue on. If I would have lost, okay, what we do is close out the game or reboot the device or go into the apps and force stop the game. Once that's done, if you reboot it, your phone comes back on, or if you force stop it, at that point, go ahead and put it back, take it off of airplane mode, and go back into the game. What that does, it'll record the battle, but it won't grant preloaded turn meter. Our last TW, we lost by less than 200 banners. Majority of that was from preloaded turn meter. You guys, we are competitive, and we can get these wins if everybody utilizes this easy tool that we have. We would see a lot more wins, especially when the margins that we're losing by is so small. So please, it works great with your Grand Arena. You can practice it in Squad Arena. You can practice it with your Galactic War. But please utilize it. We are a great guild and very capable of logging a lot more wins. And this is the first thing that we have to tackle and we have to eliminate, is that preloading turn meter. Y'all are great. Let's knock this TW out. It's an even match, and give it all your 100%. One more quick thing is choosing the battles, your opponents wisely. Study their speed. I mean, if you're going up against a team that's going to blow you out of the water on speed, don't attack them. Let somebody else attack them that might have a faster team. you know, this is all coordinated with the defenses that we set. And if you see a team that you're not sure about, man, there is so much knowledge. All of y'all have so much knowledge. Ask somebody. You know, there's a lot of knowledge here. If you're unsure, if you got that unsure about yourself or about a team that you're attacking, say, hey, you know, everyone's available, and we need to utilize each other's knowledge and thoughts and planning our attacks. So reach out, and we're all in this together, and let's go for this victory, guys. Let's get it done. We'll see you.